Morning guys. So another thing you may have just seen on a couple of the posts recently, obviously we're going to be moving into a brand new building. It's going to be the ultimate detailing studio in Yorkshire. I know that the amount of things we've got going on and the amount of equipment and extensive machinery that we're actually having built in there, this is going to be next level. We're going to be doing wraps, we're going to be doing the PPF. Obviously we're a big production unit of ceramic, especially on vinyl, and PPF, which a lot of people they're not aware of, or they don't understand how to maintain it. We obviously produce all the products to maintain it as well. And a big thing that we've just advertised that we probably should have done a long time ago, but the reality is I work detailing side on my own and I just didn't have the time to do it. But customers for years have asked us about maintenance washers, and it's a service where obviously we can wash the car, you know, whenever you want really, once a week, but once every 6 months, once a year, just before winter. We can prep it, we can decontaminate it, we can re-top up your ceramic coating and just make sure that protection is always top notch. And it is something I've wanted to do for a long time. We just haven't had the manpower to do that because of my dedication to the detailing side of things. We've now got a couple of staff on board. I'm going to be training them up over the next few weeks. We obviously have our own training academy. That's going to be a big thing in there as well. I'm not going to give a lot away, but we have got a car in there that we're going to be wrapping as a demo car. That's going to look pretty good. We've possibly got a wheel sponsor on there as well, so it's going to pretty stand out when it's done. But the maintenance side of things is quite a big thing, and we want all our previous clients who've had ceramics done on the car. We're going to be contacting you. If you obviously see this post, give us a call. We're going to be booking jobs in for sort of October time. To be fair, maybe August. We've just got to work it out when it comes to the actual planning and getting the mezzanine and the ramps in. But I'm actually going to try and get the maintenance washers in starting in about 4 weeks, in fairness. That's what I'm going to aim to try and do. So give us a call if you're interested in getting a maintenance wash done. We're going to be working on things like your engine bay, we're going to be retreating your leather, we're going to be going to town on your air vents and doing obviously a steam clean. But we're also going to be focusing on actually ceramic topping up or ceramic coating the car all over again. So we'll top up your protection on the outside, we'll re-top up your glass, we'll get the car ready for winter and actually make it really stand out. And as a thank you, and I suppose a bit of an apology for never being able to do this before, we're going to be giving all our previous clients who've had an actual ceramic booking done, and that is going to include the new car prep service that we do, which isn't a full detail and it isn't a 3-year ceramic, but we're going to give you guys the exact same offer. 30% off the official price of any maintenance packages that you book. So even if you want to book 2 or 3 in advance and book them for later on in the year, or you just want to pre-book them without an actual date, we're going to be giving you all 30% off for any of our clients that we've worked on the cars before. So give us a call guys, let's get some dates in the diary. We've already had 5 people actually book in, and I've only put the post on an hour ago, and some of these customers are actually travelling from miles away. I've got a feeling we've got an amazing car coming from Switzerland at some point. Fingers crossed. It's a customer that we've been in contact with for years. We worked on his car. He's got an amazing new car, and I really want to get that in the studio when we do move. So hopefully we'll speak with that customer. We're not going to give a lot away. He might not book in. I hope you do. Not mentioning your name, Phil. But we're going to be getting on with the maintenance package, as I said. So give us a call, guys. Telephone numbers on the website, it's on Google, you've got the landline and the mobile. Anybody who's had a previous coating from us before, even if it's only been a new car prep or it's been a full ceramic pro or signature coat package, we're going to be doing the maintenance deals with 30% off for you. So give us a call, let's get you some dates booked in. I can see this getting quite popular before we start, and we need to make sure we get people in obviously at an early enough time. And like I say, I'm actually going to aim for about 4 weeks when we start them, and I should know an exact date in a day or 2. We might be able to move your dates forward, but we're going to say sort of 4 weeks time for the actual initial start of the maintenance packages. So give us a call guys, and again thank you for always following us, being so loyal. Can't wait to get into this new build. Honestly, we've got so much going on, you're going to love it. We've just had a local coffee company contact us. You might have seen the post, but Recent Beans are going to be supplying the coffee. So not only are you going to get your car maintained, but you're going to get an amazing coffee, because I've had the parcel delivered this morning and the smell through the packet is unreal. I can't wait for the coffee machine to arrive today. I'm actually going to be trying that myself. So again, speak to you soon, guys. Thank you. So when we do the maintenance washers, basically the products we're going to be using obviously are our own brand when it comes to the shampoo, the decontamination products, anything to do with the wheels and the sills. However, the protection package, we are going to strictly keep to the Ceramic Pro products. Now, these can be used over a car that has had ceramic on them, and that's obviously the main point, but they can also be done over a car that doesn't have ceramic. And the benefits are with the Sport and the Sport Plus products, which are really high end, they can still actually give 3 or 4 months of protection on them, and it can give the car sort of a really strong beading effect on every panel that we apply it to. As standard, if you follow us, you know when we do anything with ceramic, we do the sills, do the boot shuts, the door shuts, the wheels, the brake calipers. We literally do it all. Even on a maintenance wash, this is going to be the same. So if you come in for your maintenance packages, which we've just started doing, you've got the textile products for obviously your interiors and your carpets that you can upgrade to, and then you're basically going to have the option of Sport and Sport Plus. And those are going to basically keep your car maintained, all within that price structure that we've put on there. And as I said, anybody who's had a ceramic coating with us done before, any previous clients, we just need to check obviously our data to make sure that you have had a ceramic package as opposed to just a normal sort of top-up coat. But if you have, you will get that 30% discount if you pre-order with us. Now, date-wise at the minute, we're going to be looking about 4 weeks' time when we can actually book you in. We're going to put a post up shortly with some actual dates available on there. We have had some clients already ring us. There's about 6 or 7 customers now actually called us in regards to pre-booking in. So we're going to put a list of dates up that we can actually get the maintenance packages on there. Give us a call if you want to know more about them and what options you've got, because we can upgrade and we can change quite a few things. We can even add sort of a longer term glass protection if that's your priority, or a wheel coating, a pure ceramic wheel coating on there. But give us a call. We'll basically match that package to sort of suit what you want. Get your date in the diary. You're not going to miss any bookings and appointments if you obviously contact us early on, and we'll see you from there, guys. So again, thank you for following us.